In this video, we're gonna perform a quick Wi-Fi speed test on POCO F8 Pro. We're gonna check the download and upload speed on POCO F8 Pro. And I also performed a similar test on my computer just to compare it. So let's give it a try. Let's see how the Wi-Fi looks like on this phone. So as you can see, the download speed on this phone is approximately, at least in my case, 233 megabits per second. There was like a jump to 260, I believe. And the upload speed seems to be 85, maybe 86 megabits per second, something like that. Pretty close. There we go. And comparing it to the results that I managed to get on my computer, the download speed is much slower because while we do have 233 megabits per second on the phone, I managed to get 950 on my computer, whereas the upload speed is pretty much identical. On my computer I managed to get 86 megabits per second, here I've got 85, so it's pretty much the same. And I just have to mention that I am not using Wi-Fi 7, this is of course the Wi-Fi 6 standard, so of course if you actually have Wi-Fi 7 at your home, let's say, then the download speed might be much better. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.